Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, Airbnb is starting to get more and more data after the IPO last week, so there's more and more we can tell from it. And the big factor that really stood out to me, and I think a lot of traders, so this is not like some sort of, I'm not trying to come across this as some great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special talent. I'm pretty sure a lot of traders notice out there, okay, there is a whole bunch of buyers down there around the $125 mark. I mean, several occasions today, a couple of times this morning right there, and then late day right there, or excuse me, late morning right there. The bears try to press down through there, but each and every time, to give credit where credit's due, the bulls stepped up. There were people that wanted to buy and did buy, and then even to the point that generated a nice little bounce. So my point here is that $125 is going to be a very watch level, and when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movement. So I'm not saying anything is guaranteed to happen. I'm just saying that it's more than valid, it's a more than rational thought, that if the price did come down here, behave in that manner, then break to the downside, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So definitely keep an eye on the 125 mark moving forward. And then on the flip side of things, I think the level that really got established today is a level that a lot of people are going to be watching, specifically those breakout players, right there at the $135 mark. This just comes from the fact that on Friday it was an area of support, and then there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with the gap down this morning, you can see that on the attempted small little bounce, look right where it got rejected, right there at that previous area of support. So I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook in terms of how you'd expect the price to behave. So more of the story here, though, as far as applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. Just two main levels: 125 key level of support, up there at the 135 mark key level of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.